Breakfast by Taste of Trini herself, and these are slices of fresh mango from the plantation across the road, and this is a mango syrup made by Taste of Trini, and this is a nice lovely textured pancake, as you can see there, also by Taste of Trini. So I mean, look, I'm having a Taste of Trini breakfast this morning, and if you'll forgive me, I'm raring to get in and eat that right now. And as if that's not a great breakfast in itself, the protein element has been brought to me in the shape of this rather wonderful plantain frittata.
Yes.
Rather lovely that is. And I can't wait to get stuck into that. Yum. So, Taste of Trini's mum is cooking up a pot of curry goat, and the goat's been seasoned up with Caribbean seasoning, and first off they went in some chunky vegetables, wasn't it? Yeah, and then garlic, onion and pepper,
tomato,
yeah,
Caribbean.
Yeah.
This is the masala.
And the masala, mixed masala, very nice.
So we have the pacho roasters and then grind it up.
The curry powder that went in this one is Trini duck and goat mix. Is that from Chief?
Yeah.
So that's Chief duck and goat curry powder. And of course into that went the chopped and washed goat meat, and that's just cooking away nicely, mostly in its own juices there. And I can't wait to get my gums wrapped around some of that, I tell you. Here, it's under here.
People in hide and seek.
We've got a really tricky one this time. Under here? No. She's not under there either. I think she's going to be hiding over here. Not in there. Is she behind the curtain? Behind the curtain. Is she behind this mattress? Is she hiding under here? Behind here? Not there. Oh wow, found her. I want to see you until you move. That's a good hidey face, that one, isn't it?
Yeah. Say hi, Alisha. Hi.
That's stewed chicken. I haven't had much time to follow up because I've been playing hide and seek with Alisha. The curry goat has been moved to the stove and is here under cover, and the stewed chicken is well underway now. And under this, I'm going to show you a sneak preview of the roti, which are all keeping improving under there. So, and over here are some prawns or shrimp, and they're soaking ready to be cooked along with these these big beauties over here. So that is yet to happen. And I'll show you the pretty faced girl that I've been playing hide and seek with. There she is. Isn't she gorgeous? Huh? And what's your name? Tell everyone your name.
Alisha.
Alisha. Is that a star child or what? Hey? There's no ugly people in this family. Look at this. Look at this. They're all gorgeous, aren't they? Hey? Looks like Dory has lost one of his feathers. You've been shedding feathers, mate? Have you? You've been shedding feathers. Huh? Let's have a look. It's there, it's a pretty feather. There's the budgie. There's the little finch. I think he's a finch. That's Dory's cage. And that's looking out on a Trinidad morning. And today is the end of Ramadan, I believe, for Trinidad's Muslim community. You're lovely, aren't you? Right, where's she hiding this time? Is she hiding under here? No. She's not hiding under here. She's not hiding under there. Is she hiding here? No. She can't be hiding under the mattress because it's not there anymore. Then she must be hiding in here. No. I think she's going to be hard to find. That was a good hiding place, that one, wasn't it? You're good at this. You're too good at this game. You are. You're always in the last place I look. That's a joke.
Where's the last place I was looking at?
When I find you. It's always the last place I look.
Huh?
It's always the last place I look.
Yeah.
Thanks for playing. Recording now.
Right.
Alright, I'm going to hide a bit.
O-M-J.
Hello guys, and today I'm going to be hiding this Patrick. So he's original and he's nothing but like Patrick. So if you're watching this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Put the link down. So let's get started to my video. And today's vlog, I'm going to be hiding a Patrick and we're going to be playing a game. Okay guys, so let's go.
Got a little sidetrack creating the world's most beautiful fragrance.
And I'm ready.
You got 20 seconds.
Okay, now I'm going to be hiding it somewhere that he will never find it. So okay, so I'm hiding it in that spooky place that he'll never find it. But he's got to find my Patrick. So yeah, let me just get it deeper down there and you'll see my Patrick. He's down there somewhere. Ready?
Right.
Now this is different.
Right. Yes, isn't it?
And that's the guy who's gonna find it. So good luck.
Thank you.
Oh, do you want to know what's going on?
Is it under here? No, it's not under here.
Made of sharks.
Then it must be under
The sharks
here.
are swimming 7%.
No,
What does this have to do with us being shy?
not under
This
there.
episode of Creating the World's Most Beautiful
Is it
Fragrance.
behind
And
the
it's describing
curtain?
the fact. I know.
No,
I
it's
also
not.
know that this ball is one million,
Behind
maybe
the
billions,
curtain.
and anyone in the beauty industry.
I think this is going to be a tricky one. This is. Is it under
No one was
there?
fine.
No.
I've been working on creating this fragrance for years.
Not
Surely
bad.
I'm on everyone's radar in the cosmetics industry. I'm probably being bugged right now.
You're very good at this.
Okay, you know what? Drive to Paris.
Is it? Is it
And
under
take me to the
you?
airport.
No. I'm not lying. See?
Am I getting cold or warmer?
Cold.
Colder.
I have to get this to the house and use that.
Under here?
Very, very cold.
Very cold.
Yeah.
Is this
Oh.
stuff in my hand?
So if I move this way, it'd be warmer, wouldn't it?
Yeah, warmer.
Warmer?
Warmer.
How about this way?
Cold.
Cold. So it must be
Warm,
somewhere.
warm, 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 warm.
Oh.
Warm, warm, warm. Very warm. Not warm. Cold. Cold.
Warm.
No. Cold.
Always
Warmer.
Warm, 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 warm. Cold. Cold. Yeah, cold.
So
And it's under your foot.
is it?
Yeah. No, somewhere in the corner here.
Oh wow, you hit that really well.
Now you have to hide it. And you gotta hold the GoPro.
Thank you. Okay, I've got to hide it now. I've got to hide it somewhere really clever. Where will I hide it?
Run out of room here.
Hide it. Ready?
I love a 10. And you're more of a coin guy though?
Alicia, the beautiful Alicia will now try to find it. Where is it? Where hide it? Colder. Colder. Warmer. Warmer, very warm. Colder. Warm, warm, warm. Warm, quite hot. Quite hot, very hot. Smoking hot. You got it!
So this is our first bowl of Hawaiian from our neighbor Nadia. And Isha was raising me fed and I wanted, I jumped over the couch. So this looks like it has raisins and almonds in it. Manila
You brush on it coconut oil.
What does? But
Smells
it's going for
awesome.
like 10 minutes. I don't have everything prepared. Look, everything
Goes over
here.
there.
We do that after. But isn't everything here? Rest down here. Yeah, but okay, so I have to take out a tree. I have to get this? It's hot. That's why she asked me for ice. We'll have to come in. Come on, here. See why this one quick.
That looks just too good. Yeah. And that's why they call it a bust-up shirt. Bust-up shot. Straight in the hot storage, along with all the others. There we go. Demonstrated by my beautiful assistant, Kelsey. Alright, what I've got here is got some stewed chicken, curry goat, and some potato, and this is shrimp with lauki, or it's like a long bottle gourd, and some chana. And I'm going to make a meal of that right now.
If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.